Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I was planning to redecorate the living room and the dining room for a while now. I want to remove the wallpaper and to repaint the walls. Here on the TV area, I want to do something a bit more different. Some people might call me crazy, but I'm gonna do it anyway. The Astra has the engine toast. There's a crack in the engine block, so it's not worth repairing it. I'm gonna take the car to scrap, but I'm gonna remove some of the parts and try to resell them. The front end of the car, I'm gonna cut it down and I want to put it here, where's the TV, and have it like a feature wall. The TV will go on the wall, where's the painting, and the sound system, I'm gonna try and put the speakers behind the front end of the car. I have no idea how good will look or bad, but we're gonna find out together. First, I need to get rid of the TV and clear the living room and the dining room to start painting. After that, I'll start chopping down the car. So I removed most of the stuff that I could, and I think I'll cut it down from here. I'll try to avoid this part. I'll keep this part, a part of the chassis leg. I'll remove these two bolts that are holding the subframe, this one and this one. I think should be enough to hold the front end of the car in place. After almost 1 hour, one side is done. I'll start doing the other side. So it's out. This is how it came. I'll be trimming some of the stuff that I don't need. This one here, this side as well. This hose, I'll get rid of it. The holder for the bonnet, and some plastics and cables that are extra and I don't need it. So this is where I want it to be. I added some brakes under the chassis legs to lift it a bit so the bumper can slide out. Probably I'm gonna bolt it to the wall. I'll build some brackets or something to bolt it to the wall. And I'll need to cut down the wings as well. I don't think I'm gonna need much of them, just to cover this area from here to the wall. I've cut down a few pieces of wood and I put them like this. I know it's not pretty, but looks like a leg to me. So I'll be replacing these bricks with the legs that I made. So I got these two pieces of wood as well. One I'm gonna attach it here to the wall and the other one on the other side. And I have two L brackets. And I'm gonna self-tapping it to the leg here and on the other side as well. And I think should be pretty sturdy. So already checked, as you can see, it's leveled. Now it's bolted to the wall. Let's remove this. And looks pretty solid to me. I think fits pretty well. And clears the bumper on the floor. I need to test fit the headlights, but it's pretty strong to me. Not going anywhere. I could not help myself not to put the headlights on to visualize how it would look. The headlights are just in one bolt and I don't have a bracket here, so I just tie them with a cable on the other side as well. On the bumper I need to add these two brackets for the headlights, but looks promising. Before cutting down the wings, I made a cardboard template to kind of give me an idea how to cut it. So I should have it kind of like this, but I'll double check on the wall exactly to see how I cut. So I made my marks. I should cut it from here, but I'm gonna leave a bit more room. So at first I'm gonna cut it from here. Now let's see if it fits. I think I cut it right. Should be okay. So I had some touch-up paint and I used it here on the edges to cover the exposed metal to prevent any future rust. I think they are pretty good. So here to the side, as you can see, here is like a ½ inch gap and here it's almost none. But I think I can live with that. Let's do the other side. So this side I have kind of the same. Here almost no gap and to the bottom ½ inch. But it's not visible. I'll have to touch up the wall after I finish everything. Now let's put the headlights on. So I've done this part. Might need a bit of fiddling. Here doesn't sit right, but I might adjust it later. On this side, looks like as well, might need a bit of fiddling here to fit better, but I'll put a bumper and see how it goes. So all bolts are on now. This side looks pretty good. I'm okay with it. Has a bit of gap here. I might adjust it later. We'll see if I can. On this side, the bumper there doesn't look too bad. I think if I'll add the screws here on the inside, should pull it even better. The problem will be here because it looks like the headlight is too much in, and for sure I can pull it out. Overall, doesn't look too bad. I need to adjust the headlight, cut down the bonnet, put the TV on the wall, and add a shelf here, but I need to order it first. I got this media shelf from IKEA that I'm gonna assemble it, and after that I'm gonna mount it on the wall. The shelf is attached to the wall now, but I think it's too high. So I'll bring it down like 10-15 centimeters. The TV is sitting just on the shelf, it's not attached to the wall, but I'll bring it down like 10-15 centimeters as well. I've done the template for the bonnet, but because the bonnet is a bit curved, it's hard to get exact measurement of the bonnet, so fingers crossed I get this right. Looks like I've cut it alright. Here it's sitting a bit too low, but I'm gonna put something underneath to lift it. The height of the shelf is okay. On this side as well, sits pretty okay. I think here is a bigger gap, and the same issue as well here. I'm gonna add something underneath to keep it higher. Thing turned out pretty nice. I need to adjust it there where it's sitting too low. I bought this off Amazon. I need to add it to the back of the TV. Add the TV stand on the wall and the TV. And I was thinking to make the daylights work. So I got the plugs for the headlights, and I bought a AC DC adapter, and I'll try to make the daylight work. So it works. The LED strip that I bought is for a 55 inches TV, and mine is a 42. In the future, I want to upgrade the TV and get a bigger one. Let's see how it looks on the wall. Looks a lot better. I have put the sound system back. I wanted to move the sub behind the bumper, but it's too low, the shelf, and I need to remove it so I can put the sub. Next time when I have time, I'll do it. But for now, they're gonna be like this. Are a bunch of cables that I don't like, but for now they'll be like this. Might end up putting the entire sound system behind the bumper, but for now they'll sit like this. I have put everything back together and I'm pretty happy with the result. I'm curious what everyone is thinking. Is it crazy or just cool to do something like this? I have a few more videos that are similar with this one, but not as crazy, so if you're looking for some inspiration, go check them out. I managed to connect Alexa to the backlight, so now it lights up. Alexa, turn on the backlight.
Okay.
And as you can see, it lights up pretty nice. I haven't figured out why the daytime running lights are not working, so if you have any idea to make it work, just leave a comment. As always, if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.